Hi, this is Laura. I want to go over the personal philosophy of adult education, your last big assignment in the course, and give you just a rough overview of the requirements and to hopefully clarify any questions you may have. And so you'll see when you go into the week 11 area, you'll see that you have this personal philosophy of adult education, and it is roughly a 2 to 3 page statement of your personal philosophy of adult education. It should include these items that are bulleted here that allow you to express your own personal philosophy. I want to make sure I mention that there is no right or wrong on this. So for example, you'll see that I have provided you my own personal philosophy, and I've noted that it doesn't exactly match the requirements that are listed here. So I do want to leave you some creativity to create your personal philosophy based on your own style. So do your best to hit these marks. What I would be looking for is your own personal expression of your philosophy. And so this is a guideline for you to follow. It should include some statement or concept around why this philosophy is important to you, what theorists or theories resonate with you, and then the core beliefs of adult learning that drive you and that you would be planning on using or applying in your own practice, and also any strategies that would demonstrate your philosophy. I would like you to use APA again as best as you can, depending on the kind of style that you put forward. And there's a teaching philosophy example here and some helps to get you going. But again, please be creative, and I know this will grow with you as you continue to take courses, and you will likely have another course that will ask you to do something like this. So you may also think of it as an early draft to get you going. And I enjoyed teaching you this term. Please make sure you check out the rubric, and if you have any questions, let me know. But please enjoy this assignment. And then lastly, I want to point out in the last module, I really want to encourage everybody, I'm going to scroll down here real quick, to do this final course sharing and showcase. I added this just so that you would have an opportunity to share your philosophy or any last comments or a video, anything that your graphic organizer, you can share anything you'd like, but I would recommend that you do that so that you can give some ideas to others. And I am really grateful for your time and great effort this term, and hope I can continue to help you as you need it. Take care. Thanks.